got a look-alike contest. We have a ladies ride-in bike show that we're gonna do. We've got raffles, we've got a lady author, Deb Tabor, and she has got her book Writing Solo. Today we've also got a bikini bike wash, and a male guy is here. We got a guy for the girls today doing some bike washing. We've got Bad Rabbit is the band that we've got. It's a ladies band, so we knew we wanted to get some more chicks in the action. We've got some wonderful promos going on. We are just having a great time.
Beautiful women who have come from all across the state to join together in unison to support women's sistership, ridership. The Stilettos on Steel organization is here. My new company, Uncaged Life Multimedia, and we are celebrating, yes we can, girl power. I ride over an hour every time I come to the Harley dealership to come to Crystal Harley, because these folks are phenomenal with ladies in particular. I've never had a bad experience here, and their events coordinator, Amy Moody, she really understands the needs of women, and she is always willing to go above and beyond to put in women's events. She gives prizes, you know, and they really help women. They'll do the jump start for them. There's a course out there that women can learn to ride and get a license, and you know, sell them a bike that actually fits them. You know, I've done some market research lately, actually. Did a survey with about 500 women, and a lot of the things that they're saying, these folks do so well. And it is a family in this. You can just feel the atmosphere when you come into Crystal Harley. You can feel that they're welcoming, they love each other, they're super fun, they have great events. This place is the place to be. So it's kind of funny when I roll up on my motorcycle at a high school. I am an assistant principal for a very large high school in Pasco County, and I couldn't be prouder of that job. Education is my other passion. I truly believe that, you know, my new company, Uncaged Life Multimedia, my tagline is no limits, no rules, just freedom. And I believe in sharing that message with the youth of America as well, of being your best self, helping each other, supporting each other, and I try to model that especially to the young ladies at school when I carry my pink helmet into school after riding my bike to the work sometimes. And you know, I have a very powerful boss who is a principal, and she's a phenomenal leader, and she's a phenomenal lady, and so we try to model that at the school as well, and so it kind of permeates all aspects of my life. And that's just who I am. I really almost feel like tearing up, because to see this many people come out when our country is in such a state of turmoil, and there's been so much happening, and I want a refund on the year 2020 sometimes, but then I also have run into people that have said they've learned a lot from these experiences, and for everybody to come together and show that they care about each other, the biker community does it better than any other, and I'm so proud to be part of it.
You're always told to go with the flow. But why not be the flow? Test ride the Road Glide Limited and Ultra Limited today.
Need we say more? Only at Crystal Harley-Davidson, Homosassa, Florida.